this! Let's have some fun! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes!
Okay, good job.
It's broken. Okay, let's open. Can we open it?
Okay.
Yeah!
Mercedes!
What is that, Albert?
It's a truck. Why can I open?
Final round. Fight! Hummer! Porsche! Porsche!
Look, there's blue. There's same colors. There's two blue.
Yeah.
These cars are gonna fight. They're fighting. Look, there's a volcano behind there.
Lamborghini! Mercedes!
Blue, red, green, blue, gray, black. Wow. There's all those colors. Yes. Goodbye.